Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Acer Nitro 50 Gaming Desktop, a powerhouse that's perfect for gamers looking for performance and style. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Let's dive into the details. Design and build quality. The Acer Nitro 50 sports a sleek and modern design that stands out in any gaming setup. With a matte black finish and customizable RGB lighting, it adds a touch of flair to your space. The compact form factor is impressive, making it easy to fit into your gaming corner without sacrificing performance. Performance. Under the hood, this gaming desktop is powered by an Intel Core i5-14400F 10-core processor. This processor delivers exceptional performance, allowing you to run the latest games and applications seamlessly. Whether you're multitasking or diving into a heavy gaming session, the Nitro 50 handles it all with ease. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card is a standout feature, providing stunning visuals and enabling ray tracing technology for a more immersive gaming experience. With 16 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, you'll notice quicker load times and smoother gameplay. Storage. The 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD ensures that you have ample space for all your games, applications, and media. This SSD not only offers plenty of storage but also significantly reduces load times, allowing you to jump into your games without delays. Connectivity. Equipped with Intel Wi-Fi 6E-AX211, the Nitro 50 provides fast and reliable wireless connectivity, which is essential for online gaming. You won't experience lag or interruptions during crucial moments in your favorite games. Plus, it has a range of ports for all your peripherals, including USB 3.2, HDMI, and more. Software. The desktop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Home, giving you access to the latest features and improvements. The interface is user-friendly, and you can easily customize your experience to suit your preferences. Gaming experience. In terms of gaming performance, the Nitro 50 excels. I tested it with several popular titles, and I was consistently impressed with the graphics quality and frame rates. Games ran smoothly at high settings, making it a fantastic option for gamers looking for high performance without breaking the bank. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Acer Nitro 50 gaming desktop is a remarkable machine that delivers outstanding performance, modern design, and ample storage. It's perfect for gamers who want a powerful system that can handle everything from casual gaming to more demanding titles. If you're in the market for a new gaming desktop, I highly recommend checking out the Acer Nitro 50. It's a solid investment that won't disappoint. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Until next time, happy gaming.